Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Glambitious and I am back with another video. And today, your girl is gonna be showing y'all how to get these beautiful, luscious, voluminous curls so you can be slaying too, boo. So if you want to see how I got this hair, then just keep watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. So y'all see me looking crazy a million times doing the same thing, but I'm just going to spray my Got2Cool hairspray all over my wig cap in the front to make sure that it lays still and that wig cap stays on so our lace stays looking laid. And I'm just going to go in with some scissors. The sharper the scissors, the better, and I'm just going to cut off that extra cap.
Put it on ice and I'm talking strawberry cream. All my bitches be fine, I'ma groom me a dime if I like what she seeing me. I ain't gon' waste your time thinking you should be mine, plus I know you been feeling me. It's okay to cry sometimes, I know. It's okay to wanna die sometimes, just hold on. Life is a journey, how could we do any wrong? All my life I've been hurt, and that's why I'm singing this song like this. She got it, don't know what to say, no, no, no. She all in my face, I don't know what they, no, 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 yeah. She got it, don't know what to say, no, 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 she all in my face, I don't know what they, no, no, no,
Then I'm just going to go in with this silk scarf to tie that down and make sure that it is laid. Shout out to the Bella brand. She has the best scarves, bonnets, hairs, and mink lashes. I literally love her brand, so I'll make sure that I list her below. Y'all go check her out. Then I'm just going to go in with some alcohol and make sure to get all that extra hairspray off my head.
She all in my face, I don't know what they.
Now your girl is just gonna slap that wig on her head, okay? Slap it, honey, slap it.
No, 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 she all in my face, I don't know what they, no, 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 no. She all in my phone when I get in the shower. I give it an hour till she get the tweaking. I swear she be needing these bitches be sour. My little homie Finny, he supposed to be dealing, he sniffing on powder. They call me Louise, I ain't got no ceilings, I'm tryna go farther. I don't fuck with Zans, I might roll up a joint, I been sipping on Tennessee. Mix that with tequila, I put it on ice and I'm talking strawberry cream. All my bitches be fine, I'ma groom me a dime if I like what she seeing me.
Next, I'm just going to place my Ghost Bond along my hairline where I want my wig to lay. I do like to go a little bit more in to protect my edges and to make my girl, you know, the forehead a little smaller. So, yeah, just place it where you like. Time for my favorite part, the baby hairs, honey, the baby hairs. So I'm just gonna brush that down. No, my baby hairs and go right with my tutorial on my channel and check it out. I have a lot more details.
I don't know what they, no, no, no.
So after I make sure my hair is all combed through, I'm just going to go in with, I believe it's 1 inch curling one, and I'm just going to curl away from my face. and just play around with it until you get, you know, it to your liking. It's just hair at the end of the day. So add a little va-va-voom where you want, you know, add a couple more curls where you want, move some hair over to the other side if you got to. You know, girl, you know.
She got it, yeah. Don't know what to say. No. She all in my face. I don't know what they. No. She all in my phone when I get in the shower. I give it an hour till she get the tweaking. I swear she be needing these bitches be sour. My little homie Feeny, he supposed to be dealing, he sniffing on powder. They call me Louise, I ain't got no ceilings, I'm tryna go farther. I don't fuck with Zans, I might roll up a joint, I been sipping on Tennessee. Mixed that with tequila, I put it on ice and I'm talking strawberry cream. All my bitches be fine, I'ma groom me a dime if I like what she seeing me. I ain't gon' waste your time thinking you should be mine, plus I know you been feeling me. It's okay to cry sometimes, I know. It's okay to wanna die sometimes, just hold on. Life is a journey, how could we do any wrong? All my life I've been hurt, and that's why I'm singing this song.
And again, ladies, make sure that you are always curling away from your face.
She all in my face, I don't know what they. She got it, yeah. Don't know what to say. No. She all in my face, I don't know what they.
So here goes teases. I know I told you to curl away from your face at all times, which you want to do, but when you are in the front of your head doing like your bang area, actually curl towards your face. This is going to give it more volume. And honestly, I like to scrunch my hair just like it was, you know, my normal curly hair to really make them curls just, you know, pop. Brush it out, you know, make sure that your curls are exactly where you want it to be, and then boom. Just make sure that you like your hair and that it looks good to you, because at the end of the day, that's all that matters. And that is basically it for that video. I hope you ladies enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. And I will be back with plenty of more videos. Bye!